Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Welcome to Budget Buying. In today's video, we're checking out the top 5 best bicycle repair toolkits that bring together durability, portability, and efficiency. Whether you're on a quick ride or a long adventure, these kits will keep your bike in top shape. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the CycleZone Bicycle Repair Toolkits. The CycleZone Bicycle Repair Toolkit is a versatile companion for every cyclist, combining practicality, durability, and portability in one compact package. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, this toolkit is designed to withstand high-intensity operations, ensuring reliability whether you're on a short ride through the city or a long-distance adventure. Its innovative 11-in-1 design brings together essential tools, neatly folded in an orderly manner for ease of use and storage. Despite its comprehensive functionality, the kit remains small and lightweight, allowing it to fit effortlessly in a saddlebag or backpack without taking up unnecessary space. Cyclists can easily operate it with one hand, making quick adjustments on the go both simple and efficient. Beyond its functional advantages, the CycleZone kit also offers aesthetic flexibility, coming in 4 attractive colors: red, blue, gold, and black. This allows riders to select a version that complements their personal style or bicycle. Whether navigating daily commutes or embarking on longer journeys, this repair toolkit ensures that cyclists are always prepared for mechanical issues. Its compact form and durable construction make it an indispensable accessory, providing peace of mind and convenience without compromising on performance. With the CycleZone Bicycle Repair Toolkit, riders have a dependable, multifunctional solution ready for any situation on the road. This concise yet comprehensive toolkit makes maintenance accessible anytime, helping cyclists keep their rides smooth, safe, and trouble-free. Coming in at number 4, the Rockbros Bicycle Repair Toolkits. The Rockbros Bicycle Repair Toolkit is a compact and versatile solution designed for cyclists who want a reliable companion for bike maintenance. Engineered with a lightweight aluminum alloy handle, this kit ensures portability, making it easy to carry on rides without adding unnecessary bulk. Its thoughtful design allows cyclists to tackle common issues efficiently, from changing tires to adjusting chains, thanks to the included chain cutter and continuous hook. This 16-in-1 kit covers a wide range of repair needs. With hex keys, spoke wrenches, screwdrivers, and a dedicated bike hammer, it provides a comprehensive set of tools suitable for most bicycles. Each tool is crafted from durable stainless steel with environmental protection plating, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Whether on a short ride around town or a longer cycling adventure, the Rockbros kit keeps essential repair tools within easy reach, helping riders maintain their bikes in optimal condition. Designed for both convenience and functionality, this kit streamlines bicycle maintenance by offering all necessary tools in one compact package. Its combination of versatility, durability, and portability makes it an indispensable accessory for cyclists who value preparedness and efficiency during their rides. This kit is not just a collection of tools. It represents a complete bicycle repair solution, providing peace of mind and confidence for any cycling journey. At number 3, we have the West Biking Bicycle Repair Toolkits. The West Biking Bicycle Repair Toolkit is a compact and versatile solution designed for both daily bicycle maintenance and emergency repairs. Crafted with an alloy steel matte chrome handle, the kit features integrated magnetic bit storage that keeps all tools organized and easily accessible. Its magnetic elastic cord lock slot ensures that tools remain securely in place, while the quick release system allows for effortless changes and prevents loss. The kit's bidirectional ratchet wrench comes with a one-handed quick reverse switch, allowing users to flip the lever and change direction instantly. This rotating ratchet tool set includes a magnetic extension bar and a 10-piece alloy bit set, offering multiple combination options for a variety of repair needs. The rotating tray design provides easy access to all tools, making it convenient to handle tasks efficiently. Designed with portability in mind, the entire kit fits comfortably in the palm of your hand and can be stored in any saddlebag or tool bag, making it ideal for on-the-go cyclists. From routine adjustments to urgent fixes, this compact toolkit delivers a reliable and practical solution for maintaining your bicycle wherever you are. With its thoughtful design and comprehensive set of tools, the West Biking Bicycle Repair Toolkit ensures that cyclists are always prepared, combining convenience, functionality, and portability in one sleek package. Next up at number 2 is the NPY Bicycle Repair Toolkits. The NPY Bicycle Repair Toolkit is designed to offer cyclists a versatile and efficient solution for all types of bike maintenance. At the heart of the kit is a bidirectional ratchet head with one-click switching, allowing users to easily change direction according to the task, making repairs faster and more precise. The aluminum alloy handle features a magnetic automatic clamping system, ensuring tools stay securely in place while allowing for quick disassembly and convenient tool replacement. This multifunctional toolkit supports free combination of its components, enabling cyclists to handle a wide range of scenarios with ease. Its magnetic quick-release design allows tools to be combined and reconfigured flexibly, adapting to different repair needs. The aluminum alloy handle is ergonomically designed with an anti-slip surface, providing comfort during extended use and reducing hand fatigue. The kit includes an aluminum alloy ratchet wrench, a magnetic quick connect rod, various batch head tools, tire pry bars, and a compact air pump. The high-strength tire pry bar comes with a fixed card slot that securely holds the tool when not in use, preventing loss. Users can choose from 10 different replaceable batch heads, which can be spliced and applied according to specific requirements. Compact and portable, the NPY Bicycle Repair Toolkit is designed to fit easily into a bike bag, toolbox, or backpack, making it ideal for both home and on-the-go repairs. Its combination of durability, versatility, and user-friendly design ensures that cyclists have everything they need to maintain their bikes efficiently, whether for minor adjustments or more extensive repairs. This toolkit brings together thoughtful engineering and practical features, providing a reliable companion for every biking enthusiast. Finally, at number 1, we have the Rock Bros Bicycle Repair Toolkits. The Rock Bros Bicycle Repair Toolkits offers a comprehensive solution for cyclists seeking a reliable and versatile repair set. With 44 professional tools included in one compact kit, it is designed to handle a wide range of bike maintenance and repair tasks. From routine adjustments to more complex repairs, this multifunctional set ensures that every essential tool is readily available for both beginners and experienced riders. Each tool is carefully crafted for durability and precision, allowing users to work efficiently and confidently on different bike components, whether it's the chain, brakes, or gears. The kit's organized design makes it easy to locate the needed tool quickly, streamlining the repair process and reducing downtime. Its portable layout ensures that the kit can be conveniently carried on rides or stored at home without taking up excessive space. The Rock Bros Bicycle Repair Toolkits also emphasizes practicality, combining tools that address a variety of cycling scenarios. From tightening bolts to adjusting derailleurs, the kit provides a well-rounded set of instruments suitable for all types of bicycles. Its professional-grade construction guarantees longevity, making it a reliable companion for long-term use. For cyclists who value preparedness and efficiency, the Rock Bros Bicycle Repair Toolkit offers an all-in-one solution, ensuring that maintenance and emergency repairs can be managed effectively. By providing both versatility and quality in a single package, this toolkit supports the needs of every cycling enthusiast, keeping bikes in optimal condition and riders ready for any challenge. This all-in-one bike repair kit reflects a thoughtful approach to cycling maintenance, combining convenience, durability, and comprehensive coverage in a single, compact set. Don't let a broken bike slow you down. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful guides.